Today the trail finds me in Warrenton, Oregon. My family and I are actually on vacation and staying at the KOA Resort here. And I found out recently that a buddy of mine had an encounter here back in 2017. So Damon is a commercial airline pilot and Bigfoot researcher. He was on his way down to Bluff Creek to meet up with a crew there. Spent the night here in the space where this motorhome is parked right now. And about 2 o'clock in the morning, Damon's dog woke him up. I had to go to the bathroom, so Damon, being a good dog owner, got up and took his dog out for a walk. So around 2 o'clock, it's dark. The area here behind us is fairly heavily wooded. And Damon said that he's standing here, so I'm going to change views. So a Bigfoot comes walking through over here and goes behind this fence over here, which he's measured to be 6 feet. And Damon said that he could see its head and shoulders above the fence. It continued on, walking this way over here to the fish cleaning station where the Bigfoot tipped over the can and started rummaging through the trash. It didn't find anything, so it walked back behind here and continued on through this area. And you can see back over here there is a street light, and it walked underneath the street light. So Damon said that it was about 7 feet tall. It was really skinny and very dark in color, dark brown. Pretty incredible to have an encounter like that in such a public place, but they're reported over and over again, especially when you're on the fringes of a campground. It's an excellent opportunity to have an encounter or a sighting because they're people like us. They're curious, and apparently sometimes we're their entertainment.